Speakers and microphones. Beginner level. Introduction. Speakers and microphones are essential audio input-output devices used in computers. They allow users to hear sound. Speakers means output. Record sound. Microphone means input. These devices are widely used in online meetings, music and entertainment, gaming, voice assistants, content creation. This topic helps beginners understand what speakers and microphones are, how they work, their types and uses, audio input and output concepts. What are speakers and microphones? A speaker is an output device that converts digital audio signals into sound waves. Microphone. A microphone is an input device that converts sound waves into digital signals. In simple words, speaker equals computer means sound. Microphone equals sound means computer. Why speakers and microphones are important? They are essential because they enable audio communication, support video calls and meetings, allow music playback, enable voice input, support multimedia applications. Without them, no sound output, no voice recording, limited interaction. Speakers overview, feature description type, output device, function produces sound, output audio, music, voice, alerts. Types of speakers. Stereo speakers, 2-channel sound, left and right. 2. Bluetooth speakers, wireless connection. 3. Surround sound speakers, multi-channel audio, cinema experience. Built-in speakers, found in laptops and monitors. Example of speaker output sound, playing music. Print, sound. Microphone overview, feature description, type, input device, function, record sound, output, digital audio signal. Types of microphones. USB microphone, high-quality recording. 2. Headset microphone, used in gaming and calls. 3. Lavalier microphone, small clip-on mic. Built-in microphone found in laptops and phones. Example of microphone input, voice input equals input, speak type for simulation, print, recorded, voice input. How speakers work. Step 1, receive audio signal, audio equals digital sound. Step 2, convert to sound waves, output equals sound waves. Print, playing, output. How microphones work. Step 1, capture sound, sound equals voice. Step 2, convert to digital signal, digital equals audio data. Step 3, send to computer, print, input received, digital. Speaker versus microphone. Feature, speaker microphone type, output device, input device, function, produces sound, records sound. Direction computer means user. User means computer. Audio interaction example, message equals input, speak message, print playing back, message. Real life use example action, video call. If action equals video call, print using microphone to speak, print using speakers to hear. Full menu-based audio simulation, Python. Def record audio. Data equals input, speak, type, return data. Def play audio data, print playing data. While true, print, N1 record audio, print 2 play audio, print 3 exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, audio equals record audio. Elif choice equals 2, play audio, audio. Elif choice equals 3, break. Else, print invalid choice. Concepts learned from speakers and microphones. Click, audio input and output. Digital to sound conversion. Types of audio devices. Communication systems. Multimedia interaction. Real-life analogy. Speakers and microphones are like. Speaker means mouth, speaks. Microphone means ear, listens. They enable two-way communication. Ways to improve knowledge. Use audio settings and equalizers. Learn about sound formats. MP3, WAV. Explore recording software. Study noise cancellation. Test different microphones. And watch for common mistakes beginners make. Comma. Confusing input versus output devices. Ignoring audio quality. Using wrong microphone type. Poor speaker placement. Not adjusting volume levels. Where speakers and microphones are used. Used in computers and laptops, smartphones, gaming systems, studios and broadcasting, online meetings and education, voice assistants. Simple definition: speakers and microphones. Devices used to output sound and input audio into a computer system. Final summary: speakers and microphones enable audio interaction with computers. They allow check, listening to sound, recording voice, real-time communication, multimedia experience. Understanding them helps you use computers for communication, entertainment, and productivity.